Hi, second graders. So today we are talking about a frog's life cycle. Last week you learned about the life cycle of a plant, and this week we are comparing and contrasting the life cycle of a frog to a plant. Okay, so each of you received a poster that looks like this. It says the life cycle of a frog on it, and you'll see all these different boxes. What you are going to do is read Journey's textbook, page 410 to 412. You will read that page and it talks about the life cycle of a frog. And then you will work on your poster and make it super neat, Q4 quality. You'll make it super neat and you'll have 2 days to complete it. And then you're going to present your poster to our class on our science Flipgrid. Okay, so I will include a picture of the life cycle of a frog for you to look at as well on our science webpage. But what you're going to do is draw what the first stage is of a frog's life cycle. And then these lines here are where you are going to write and describe what is happening in that stage. Okay, and then you're going to draw an arrow to the next box because it's a cycle and it goes around and around and around. Okay, so draw an arrow to the next box, and then you'll draw a picture of this stage, the second stage of a frog's life cycle, and then you will write a description of what is happening in that stage. And then you'll go to the next box, you will draw an arrow from this box to this box. You'll do the same thing. Okay, so draw your picture and then write what is happening in that stage. Then draw an arrow again to this box down here. Okay, and then you'll draw an arrow to the last box and explain the frog's life cycle and draw a picture. Remember, I'll have a sheet that explains the frog's life cycle on our science webpage for you to look at. But you will have 2 days to do this, so take your time. And then tomorrow, when you are finished working on this, or no, not tomorrow, on Wednesday, when you're finished working on this, you will present your poster to the class.